Hey, welcome to day 4 of your Yin Yoga Challenge. Now, in today's class, we will be focusing on your spine to improve your spinal posture, mobility, and strength of your spine. And we'll be moving your spine in all range of motion. So from a forward fold to a back bend, to side bend, and then the twisting of the spine. Let's get started. Let's start by standing on your feet. Maybe your feet are about a hip width distance apart, if that feels good for you. And you're welcome to close your eyes, or you can simply gaze at the floor in front of you and soften your eyes. And press your feet firmly down onto the ground beneath your feet. And just lengthen your spine and drop your shoulders. Relax your fingers. Relax the back of your neck. Soften your jaw, tongue, and relax your eyes. And take this moment to ground and be connected in your body as you breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Okay, and from this posture, begin to lean forward. Okay, you can bend from your hips, and you can bend your knees if you need to. Just allow your arms and your hands to dangle down. Okay, this pose is called dangling. Okay, maybe your hands touch the floor, maybe it doesn't. Okay, option to interlace the elbows together. And relax the back of your neck. Relax your face. And just be present in this posture, observing any subtle or strong sensations in your body. Okay, and as you allow the arms to dangle down, just take your time now to begin to move your spine upwards, vertebra by vertebra. Okay, you're welcome to keep the eyes closed if that feels good, and observe the sensations in your body. Okay, and now we'll move into a half moon pose. So start by placing your feet together like this, and you can raise your arms up. Okay, lengthen your spine, right palm on the left wrist, and side bend to your right. If it feels good, you can cross your left foot over your right. Relax your fingers. And just keep breathing. And gently come out of the pose. Okay, staying where you are. Okay, this time your left palm over your right wrist. So extending up, and this time side bending to your left. Okay, if you'd like to, you can place your right foot over your left. Okay, maybe you bring the chest out. And just take your time to come out of the pose. Okay, again, feet about a hip width distance apart. Maybe palms on your lower back. As you move into your back bend, option to bend your knees. Okay, just coming down far back as much as is comfortable for you. And take your time to move into your forward fold. Okay, and just take your time now to bend your knees. As you sit cross-legged. Okay, just all the way down to the floor. Okay, so from here, let's raise your arms up towards the sky. Lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, twist to your right. So left palm on the right knee and the other hand behind you. And use the fingertips and palm to either deepen or reduce the twist. Okay, and gently release. Inhale, arms up, lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, twist to your left. So right palm on the left knee, and then the other hand behind you. And just continue breathing in and breathing out. And then release the posture. Okay, and now I invite you to Begin to lie down on your belly. Okay, and place the fingertips just either on the outside of your yoga mat or on the outside edges of the shoulder length. Just relax your toes and press the fingertips down as you inhale. Lift your chest up into your back bend, just as far as is comfortable for you. And exhale, chin, chest or forehead down. So inhale, lifting up. Exhale, down. Okay, inhale. Exhale. Okay, inhale, turn to your right. Maybe you look over the right shoulder. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, turn to your left shoulder. And exhale, down. Okay, so from here, place your forearms down like this. Okay, so this is your first option in your Sphinx posture. And you're welcome to explore with me. Option 2, you can place your elbows down and rest your jaw on your palms. Or option 3, place your palms down and maybe you straighten up your elbows. Okay, you may like to bring the feet further apart, okay, to alleviate any tension in your lower back. Okay, if you have a bolster or bed pillows, you're welcome to use those props. Okay, you just place it in front. And then either place your forearms or your elbows down to give a bit of extra height. And we'll stay here for a couple of minutes. And bringing awareness back to your breath as you breathe in and breathe out. Remember, you are the observer and the witness of your thoughts. If there's any mental chatter, and you remember, just imagine you're watching your thoughts like you're watching a movie, separating yourself from your thoughts. And when you're ready, letting go of the thoughts and come back to presence. Being present with the sensations in your body and being present with your breath. Now take your time to move any props out of the way. And just begin to lie down however you wish and observe the sensations in your body. Okay, let's place your palms down, moving into child's pose. So option to bring the knees out wide. Okay, bring the hips back and extend your arms forward. Chest, chin or forehead down. Or you may like to bring the knees together, head down and swing the arms back. Okay, just choose a variation that feels good for your body right now. And gently bring the torso upright. Okay, just come into a comfortable seated position. And gently open your eyes. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.